Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. I wanted to give you guys a quick look at the Litecoin chart on the 4 hour and just kind of show you what I was seeing, kind of bouncing around some ideas. So guys, remember when we started talking about how important the MACD is? I know some people say it's worthless, this or that. I disagree strongly. So when we were up here and you saw this line right here really start to bend down and it looked like we were going to cross over, right? So that bend, look what happened. As soon as that bend started happening, what were we followed by? One of the most bearish candles that you can get right here. Besides that tiny little wick here and that tiny little wick there, that is almost a bozu candle in terms of being bearish. So that was a sign basically right there, guys, that we were going to be going down for a little bit. And as you can see, we went down right here. But one good thing is we had a lot of support at around this $140. So I want to draw you a line here. Right there, you can see 1, 2, almost 3, 4, 5 times we basically tested around that 140 to 142. So we did have strong support there. But what happened was during this, we broke down through this 55 EMA. And as you can see right now, we're up above it. We really want to close up above that and have this act as support for us. We don't want it to become resistance. So that's a really big deal. And as you can see on the 4 hour chart, we've been down low here. The histogram's been in the negative. This was in the negative here, this 12-day. And the good thing though is, as you see, we started to curve back a little bit. So what we need to do is flatten out more, and we need to have another shot of getting back up over this 26-day. Okay, so that's a really big deal, and this is a good looking candle right there. We need it to close up high though, so that's a big deal as well. I want to check out the RSI next. And I hope you all are having a great day. It's great to be back talking with you. Okay, do you almost see it? Almost looks like this kind of, if you study the pattern, like a frying pan bottom is kind of what's going on here. And it almost looks like that a little bit here as well. So hopefully we can get out of this. The RSI is starting to come back up a little bit. We are at 47, so that's good. We were down to that 40. And guys, what happened was we didn't go below that 40 on the 4 hour, which is good, because remember I talked about how if we get below that and that 40 is acting as a resistance for us, then we're bounced back down. That's not good. But we had that 40 act as support, and now we're actually moving up off that. So that's really exciting to see right there. I just want to see if we can continue to get follow through. We need more volume, and we need to continue to get up there. But like I talked to you about, this RSI, do you see how it got up to around 73, 74, and guys started taking profits, and we had that big sell-off? We got up here, over here, guys, it was 74, and people started taking profits. So really pay attention to the RSI, because when it gets in that 75, 80, people are going to take profits, and that may be a time for you to also take some profits and maybe buy back a little bit cheaper. And that's the way that you can make free coins. So if you would have sold up here at 166, think how many more you could have bought at 142 if you had the patience. When you saw this candle here, this was going to entail that we were continuously going to go down for a while. And it almost looks like on the 4 hour, we hit this doji right here, and now we're starting to move back up a little bit, but we need good follow through. So that's really important. We're at $148 right now. And then let's see where the RSI is at for the day. So on the day, we were at 53, so that's good, guys. We're still up above that 40. Like I said, I really wanted to hold. And if you draw this line, this trend line, this is another way you can kind of tell that a sell-off was going to happen. So we were having these higher highs right here, and we were having higher lows going up. And then we broke down through this trend line right there. And that just kind of had the sell-off. You see this is the big bearish engulfing candle. Do you see how it engulfed that? So we got driven down to about $141, $142, and now we're kind of moving back up. So let's see what we can do. See if we can get up above this 55 EMA. That's going to be crucial for us, because right now on the 1 day, it's acting as resistance. So we want to get up and out and above that. Okay? So guys, just want to bring this to you. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will try to get one more video out today. God bless each and every one of you. And guys, I always forget to ask you if you could like and subscribe. It mean the world to me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Take care.